Today in this video, I will show you how to pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So this is the new Apple Watch that I have right now, and I'm gonna pair with the phone that I have next to it. So for that, it might ask the pop-up one. So for that, what you have to do is just press the power button and again press the power on. It might ask the pop-up again. So here, so click on continue. And if this pop-up doesn't come, then you can go to the watch app and do it from there as well. Click on continue. Then here, click on setup for myself. I'm gonna do that one right now. And then hold your Apple Watch on the top of the phone like this. Scan the code. And once you do that, it might ask for the software update. I'm gonna update now. So it might take some time. So let's wait until that. So click on download and install. Put your phone password. Once you put the password, click on agree. Then it's ready for downloading. So now update is waiting to install because the Apple Watch is not 50%. So here it says installation will start when Apple Watch go to 50%. So let's wait until Apple Watch charged up to 50% now. Now it asking me, do you want to set up this Apple Watch from backup or as a new Apple Watch? So I will do from new Apple Watch. So which preference you gonna choose? I'll go with the left. It's trying to connect with the Apple Watch next to it. Click on agree. Now it's time to put a passcode. So now you can put a passcode in the Apple Watch. Click on OK. Once you put that, you just need to read the passcode again. Click on OK again. So you just need to now set up the Apple Watch based on your preferences. I'll click on continue. Click on OK now. Here, so it says Apple Watch here setting with the iPhone for location services. So click on OK. Fill the details. So once you fill those details, click on the continue and then I'll do is skip for now. And this one I'll just click continue. And this is for safety. Click on continue. Mobile setup. So this is asking about mobile setup plan. So if you wanna make the phone call from Apple Watch when your Apple Watch is not connected to the mobile, then you can click on the setup mobile plan. So if you do that, it will ask for the mobile plan details. So I will not do this now. I'll click not now. So signing into your account, this may take a few minutes. So if you want to set up the bank cards, then click on continue. So finally, my bank card has been added and it went to the welcome to Apple Watch home screen. Click on done. So it's saying Sabin's Apple Watch. So click on OK over here. I mean start button. And you can take a tour if you want. My Apple Watch is set up. So you can do a couple of settings from here. You can go to the general and watch for software update if there is a new update. And also you can change the home screen from here. So if you click here and go to the red one, it will move to the red one. You can change a couple of settings from here as well. And you can select what you want to see over there. So this is how you set up the Apple Watch. And here you can see all the apps. You can play with the Apple Watch now. So this is all for this video. And hopefully you know now how to pair the Apple Watch with the iPhone. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And also thank you for watching my video. I will see you in another video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel as it will give me motivation to make such videos. Thank you.